Hi everyone, today I will teach you how to draw this sketch of MS Dhoni perfectly. Just listen to the instructions properly and follow all the steps which I will show you in the tutorial. First of all, draw a rectangular grid of 6 rows and 4 columns. The first row is for the eyes. The center line will divide the nose and lips into two equal halves. Start by drawing the eye in the fourth box of the first row, like I am drawing here. The bottom of the eye will be touching the line and the top of the eye will be somewhere in the center of the box. As you can see, the eye starts from the center of the third box and ends at the end of the last box. Now draw the other eye in the first box. Same like the first eye, use the horizontal line as reference and the eye will be touching that line. The top of the eye will be in the center of the first box and the retina will be touching the first vertical line like this. Now take the topmost horizontal line as reference and draw the eyebrows. The length of the eyebrow should be equal to the length of the eye. Similarly, draw the other eyebrow like this. Now we have to draw the nose. As I said earlier that the central vertical line will divide the nose into two equal halves. So take it as a reference and draw the nose tip like this. The nose will exactly fit into this box, which is the third column and third row. Similarly on the other side, in the second column and third row. Complete the nose like this. Make sure that you take the central vertical line as the reference and draw equally on both sides. Now we have to draw the lips, again taking central vertical line as reference, which divides the lips into two equal halves. Draw the lips like this. The upper lip will be in the half of the fourth row and the lower lip will be in the half of the fifth row. Don't forget to draw his mole. Now draw the outline of the face by taking the last vertical line as reference in the fourth row. The bottom of the jaw will be a little below the last horizontal line, like this. Now just complete the outline and erase the grid lines. You can judge the distance of the ear or the forehead from the reference photo and just complete the outline. I have given the reference photo in the description of this video and you can download it later. So this is how it looks after completing the outline. The shading part will be in time-lapse mode, but if you don't know how to do blending and shading, then you can watch those tutorials which I have uploaded. I have uploaded 2 separate tutorials for sketching basics and blending basics, so you can watch those tutorials In this sketch I will be using HB, 2B and 4B pencils. Using 4B pencil for the retina and 2B for the other part of the eye. For the eyebrows I will be using 2B and 4B pencils, and for the hair I will be using 4B only, and for the face shading I will be using HB and 2B pencils. For blending I am using stumps, and for erasing I am using eraser pencil. All the tools which I have used are mentioned in the description of this video, and links are also given there. If you will try this sketch after watching this tutorial, then do show it to me by sending to my Instagram page or Facebook page. Share this tutorial with your friends who are fans of MS Dhoni, and also with those friends who are interested in art. If you have any doubt related to this tutorial, you can post that in comments. I will answer your question. Do subscribe to my channel if you are new here and show your support. Thank you so much for watching.